Hello, my dear friends. Today is Wednesday, and we are in Zone 4, which is the master bedroom, master closet, and possibly master bathroom if you have one. So today I want to talk to you about your closet. Your closet might be beautiful, and if it is, congratulations. However, some of us don't have beautiful closets, or we make them beautiful and then they decline. And I'll tell you some of the reasons that happens. First of all, we have to treat our clothes with dignity. We need to pick our clothes based on some criteria, and those are they have to fit us. We have to like them. They have to be in good repair, and they have to go with at least 3 things. So when you have clothes, everything in your closet has been expelled. They're out of here. They don't fit you. They're in bad repair. You don't like them, or they don't go with anything, then those need to go. You can give them away if they're in good shape. If they're in bad shape, then you need to say, thank you for your service, you're out of here. Now, if you are losing weight and they don't fit you and they're 1 size down or 2 sizes down, depending on how much you need to lose, you can box those up and save them. But the idea is that in your closet, there is a group of clothes that you can reach in and take out and say, wow, this is cute, and it goes with these pants, this skirt. I'm gonna wear these because it's a little warm today, and those will be more comfortable with this. Okay, that's how everything, and even your shoes, they go with everything you have in your closet. They're current for the weather or the season. That's what you want to do. So that's number 1. If you have clothes in there, if you have a big closet and you say, Kat, that's stupid, I'm just going to have, a rod full of clothes, and I've got, 2 extra rods that are empty or whatever, that's fine. You can store your out of season clothes on there, and your special gowns and things that you very rarely wear, but you want to keep because you probably wear it at Christmas or whatever. So that's fine. If you don't have room like that, and most of us don't have closets like that, then they need to be put into a tub or a bin or something that seals and put them away. Or some people put them on cute little baskets up on their shelves, and that will work too. Or you can put them in flat bins under your bed, whatever works for you. The same for your shoes, okay? So let's say you've got your closet like that, but you're not really respectful of your clothes, even though these clothes demand your respect because they fit all these criteria. And they fit you, and you look good in them, and you feel good in them. You might not look gorgeous in them, but you look good in them. They hide your little rolls, you like them, okay? So when you go in to get a blouse or a t-shirt, or like this little t-shirt off the rack, you don't just pull the shirt by its sleeve and yank it off the rack, and the rack spins around and sticks up straight in the air, and your shirt is like, help me. You put it back on, straighten it out. And also that causes maybe other things to fall on the floor. That is disrespectful of your clothes. You're not treating your clothes with respect that it's due, because these clothes are all you have now. And you're going to take really good care of them. You're going to wash them carefully. You're going to hang them up. Maybe some things don't need to be dried. They need to be hung to dry. You want to take good care of your clothing so it will last a long time. So learn to use your hangers properly. Take it off the rack and unbutton the top button if it's buttoned, and take it off the clothes rack, and then hang the empty clothes rack at the end of your clothes so that you don't have to look for clothes racks. They're always at the end, okay? And then you put your clothes on. The other thing is dirty clothes. It's all right to have a dirty clothes basket in your closet, but when it becomes full, it's important to take it to the laundry and empty it out into the piles it belongs to, or wash it or whatever, and put an empty clothes basket back in your closet to collect your dirty clothes so that you're not throwing them on the ground. And the final thing is, when you take your shoes off, mate them and put them against the wall under your clothes or on the shoe rack or whatever it is you have. Don't just sling them and like one's sticking up over here and one's way over here, and then when it comes time you can't find them. Respect your clothes and your shoes. Keep them in good repair. Wipe them off. If there's a little dirt or mud on them, give them a little wipe off. The same with your purses, belts, scarves, all those things. Only the things that have earned the right to be in your closet need to be in there. okay? And then guess what? You can vacuum the closet. You can see what maybe you're missing. You know what? I really need a white blouse. It would go with all these things, and it would look really cute and look a little dressy with my black pants and a little cute with my jeans. So you can see what you need. When you have so many clothes just jammed in there and they're all mismatched, and you know, long sleeves with shorts, with capris, with jeans. I mean, they're just all mixed up. And maybe even some of your husband's clothes have sneaked into your side. That's no way to treat your clothes with respect. And you know what? When you treat your clothes with respect, you're treating yourself with respect. So that's how you do the closet. The other thing is, a lot of people have things in their closet that don't belong in there, but they don't know what else to do with them. That's because you've overstuffed other closets, okay? Because the clothes closet is designed for your clothes, your shoes, and that's it. You know, maybe some hats and accessories, but basically that's what's supposed to go in there. Not bowling balls, not guns, not ammo. I mean, these are some of the things I've seen in there. Deer heads. I've seen so many things in closets that don't really belong in your clothing closet, okay? So you want to make sure that you find a proper place for those things, or perhaps those things don't belong in your house anymore. If your husband insists that the deer head belongs in the closet, then it hangs on his side or it's underneath his clothes, but you have a cutoff. These are my things. These are your things. I'll be happy to get you organized, but if you don't want me to, I'm fine with that. But don't let things come on the floor, because I'm going to keep this floor clear, okay? All right, so let's go out of the closet and let's go into the dressers. Your dressers have the same things in them. If you're using a dresser, or some of you use the little pull-out square bins, that's fine. Underwear, bras, underpants, bras, socks, maybe some foundation garments, pajamas, gowns, shorts. Some people put t-shirts in these drawers. Make sure that that's what, you know what goes in each drawer, and you're not just bundling them up and throwing them in there. But when you take your clothes out of the laundry and they smell sweet and they're warm, and you fold them and you stack them, and you take that little stack and you put it in your empty drawer or your semi-empty drawer, because it's not loaded down. Everything in the drawer, even down to your underpants, they fit you. You like the color. They don't have to go with 3 things, but it is nice if they coordinate with your bras sometimes. But they're in good repair, okay? So those are some of the things. They have to earn the right to be in there. If it's something that you haven't worn in a long time, then maybe it needs to go. If it's something that it rides up and it's not comfortable, it needs to go. If it cuts into you, it needs to go. If it's too big and baggy, it needs to go. They have to earn the right to be in your drawer. Okay? All right, so that's the story about what's happening in our drawers. The same with our shorts, the same with our, whatever else you're keeping in there. You might have exercise clothes. Now, I know when I used to keep my exercise clothes in my drawer in my home, I'm in an RV now, I don't have room for those extra things, but I had too many. I had all these things, guys, got really inspired, and I bought those cute little stretchy things with all, from the little advertisement that you can get so many 3 pieces for so many dollars, and you get them and you're thinking, I'm not sure, but you don't return them and you just stick them in the drawer. Well, get rid of those things. Have things in there that you're really going to wear and use. You love them, they look good, you feel good, you like the colors, and they fit, okay? And they're in good repair. All right, so that's what you're going to do in your bedroom. And then once you get these hidden spaces, the closet, the drawers, these are hidden spaces, little drawers by your bed, etc., emptied and cleaned. Then when you look around your room, you can say, okay, now I can get to these things, because I know what's in the drawers and I know what's in the closet. I know I love them. I know they've earned the right to be here. Let's look at these other things that I slung around the room like a teenager. I'm not picking on you. I've been there too. But let's look and see. Okay, these are dirty, but I haven't worn them in, 3 months. They've just been sitting here dirty. Or these don't fit and I just threw them over here. If they're in good repair and they're clean, give them away. If they're in good repair and they're dirty, wash them and give them away. If they're in poor repair, throw them away. If you can't repair it, and if you love it and it fits and it's cute and it goes with several things, but it's got a loose button, fix the button. It's perfectly good. If you don't know how to do that, YouTube it. There's videos on everything. Okay, sew your button on or fix the little hem or whatever it is. You can do it. You're smart and you're capable. You can do it. And then keep your clothes in good repair, and you're going to feel so much better about it. And then as you go through your room, you're going to have places for things to go, and you're going to say, okay, oh, here's more exercise clothes. Oops, I already had enough in the drawer. Let me see which ones do I like best, because I will never wear this many, and get one maybe out of the drawer that you kind of like and replace it with this one you really love, right? So that's how you start. You start by cleaning the hidden spots to work, and then you can work on the room itself. All right, that's it for today. I hope you have a wonderful day. I hope you always remember that you are beautiful, so be beautiful.